The orange cream cake is a fresh and delicious dessert, perfect to enjoy as a dessert or for an elegant snack. Here is the recipe. Ingredients for the base: 200 grams of 00 flour, 100 grams of cold butter cut into cubes, 80 grams of powdered sugar, 1 large egg, a pinch of salt. For the orange cream, 250 milliliters of fresh orange juice, about 2 to 3 oranges, grated zest of 1 orange, 100 grams of sugar, 3 egg yolks, 25 grams of cornstarch, 50 grams of butter. Start with the cake base. In a bowl, mix the flour with the powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Add the butter and work the mixture with your fingertips until you get a sandy consistency. Add the egg and work quickly to form a ball of dough. Wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Roll out the dough into a thin layer and line a greased cake mold, prick the bottom with a fork, and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, or until the base is golden. Let it cool. For the orange cream, mix the egg yolks with the sugar until you get a light and fluffy mixture. Add the cornstarch and mix until there are no lumps. Heat the orange juice with the grated zest in a saucepan until it begins to simmer. Remove the zest with a strainer and then slowly pour it over the egg yolks, stirring constantly. Put the mixture back into the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the cream thickens. Remove the saucepan from the heat and add the butter, stirring until fully absorbed. Pour the cream onto the base of the cake and let it cool completely. Place the cake in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving it. If you want to add a truly Italian touch, you can garnish the cake with toasted slivered almonds or crumbled amaretti biscuits for added crunch and a contrast of flavors. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our delicious recipes, and visit our website for many more enticing ideas.